Hi everyone, Little Yellow Yarn here. It's been a very long time, but I am coming back on to give you guys tips, tricks, tutorials about crochet mainly, but also some punch needle and embroidery, hand embroidery that is, thrown in here and there. So, hello and welcome everybody. I want to go over real quick in this video particularly about how important it is to check your gauge. I'm going to show you something. I have two worsted weight yarns here, okay? Green and yellow. Two little mice that I've created, and we'll talk about these in just a second. Now, worsted weight yarn. This is also known as medium yarn. That means there are 4 strands put together to make 1 strand. These are 2 different brands. I've got Big Twist green, and I've got Mainstays yellow. And for both of these little guys here, these mice, they were made with a 3.25 millimeter crochet hook. Now, what do you notice? We've got one guy who is extremely bigger than the other one. So always check your gauge. It doesn't matter if you're using the same weight of yarn because they are different brands. The little mice came out totally different. And mind you, we use the same hook size, right? Well, I did, not we. I don't know who we would be. Maybe me and my 12 personalities, but kidding. I just want to make this a very important notice to you guys. Always check your gauge. Now, mine didn't have a gauge to check. These are mice created, whatever size you want. But it's important to take note. It doesn't matter if you use worsted weight yarn. They're going to come out differently because they're different brands. Okie dokie. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.